How to unsend an email in Gmail. First, open Gmail and compose a new email. Enter the recipient, add your subject and message. Then tap Send. Right after sending, you'll see a notification at the bottom of the screen with an undo option. Tap Undo immediately. Gmail will stop the email from being sent and bring the message back to your Compose window. You can then make changes and send it again, or simply discard the message. Keep in mind that Undo Send doesn't actually recall an email after it has been delivered. It gives you a short cancellation period before Gmail sends the message. Remember that once the undo option disappears, Gmail can't recall the message from the recipient's inbox. And that's how you can unsend an email in Gmail and give yourself more time to cancel a sent message. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.